All right, so we've made a lot of progress inside of this image composition here. The only problem is that there's too much of it. We're too distant from the main character, which is the hotel, the scary hotel here. And so I want to hone in on the hotel, put it right there in the foreground so that our attention is absolutely monopolized by it. And we're going to do that by cropping the image using this tool right here, the crop tool. So I'll go ahead and select the crop tool, and then I'm going to drag across the image in order to set a crop boundary. And the idea behind the crop boundary is that anything that falls inside of the boundary here, inside of this rectangle, will remain a part of the cropped image. Anything outside of the crop boundary will be cropped away. So I'm going to make some modifications to this crop boundary just by dragging these edge handles, as you see me doing now. And you can resize a crop boundary as much as you want before you apply it. And then once I get the crop boundary exactly the way I want it, I'll go up to the option bar and I'll turn on the hide radio button right there to make sure that we don't end up completely cropping away the contents of the layers, but we're just hiding them so that we can retrieve them later on if we want to, meaning that we're applying a non-destructive crop. So we give ourselves as much flexibility as possible. Then I can apply the crop by either pressing the Enter key or the Return key on the Mac, or I could go ahead and click on this checkbox up here in the options bar. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on the checkbox. And then we have cropped away the extraneous portion of the image. If I zoom in here by pressing Control plus or Command plus on the Mac, you can see how we're really directing the viewer's attention on the hotel itself. All right, so we're nearly done. In the next and final exercise of this chapter, we're going to add the scary text. Stay tuned.